Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about the 2's complement representation. 2's complement representation. Okay, 2's complement method represents positive numbers in their true form and their binary equivalent and the negative numbers in the 2's complement form. So I said that 2's complement method represent positive number in their true form. So for example, we have a number 6. So if we will represent it in a binary form, then it will be 0110. So this one is the positive number means +6. Okay, so that's why I am saying 2's complement method represents positive number in their true form. And if you want to represent -6, then what we have to do, we have to represent it in the 2's complement form. Then we have to convert it in the 2's complement form. Okay, so now the question is how we'll convert in the 2's complement form. So you have to remember that 2's complement of a number is calculated by adding 1 to its complement, one's complement. So this is the rule. If you want to do a 2's complement of a number, then you have to add 1 to its one's complement. So you already know that how to do a one's complement. For example, I'll take the same number here 6. So I'll represent it in the binary form. Okay, so if I'll do it in binary form, then it will be this one. And if you'll convert it to the one's complement, then it will be this 0 will be 1, this 1 will be 0, and this 0 will be 1. So it is now in one's complement form. So one's complement of 6 will be this one, and after that if you want to convert it into the 2's complement, then you have to add it like this way, +1 you have to do. Then 1 will be 10. So I'll give here 0. Now this 1 will be carry forward. So 10 will be 1. Then nothing is there. So I'll get 0 here. Then 1. So this one is the 2's complement. So 2's complement of this number will be this one. So it will be represented as a -6 negative number. Correct. So this way we can represent. Now what is the adding rule of the adding rule? So if there will be 0, if we'll add 0, then it will be 0. If we will add 0 plus 1, it will be 1. If I'll add 1 with 0, that will be 1. If I'll add 1 plus 1, it will be 10, means 2, right? And now if we'll add 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 1. So it will be like a 3. So this one is the simple rule of adding in the binary number system. So therefore the number 6 and the -6 will be represented. So +6 will be represented in the 2's complement form will be 0110, and -6 will be represented as 1010. So this way we will represent. Okay, so here you have to remember one point, that total number, how many total number. If the number of word is n, then we can represent it in the 2 to the power n format. So number of word will be n over here. For example, if we have a 4-bit number, then it can represent 2 to the power n numbers, so that will be 16 numbers. Okay, so I hope now it's clear that what is 2's complement and how we can represent it. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.